Channel Partner Management Portal. In this lesson, we will discuss how to create and manage customer account settings, manage partner users, and manage partner alerts and reports. The Channel Partner Portal in OWS contains tools and resources exclusive to channel partners. When in OWS, the orange title bar will indicate that you are in the channel partner workflows. If the bar is blue, that is the end user portion of OWS. There may be a bar above the orange or blue bar informing you of critical information. This will be a darker blue color and will have an X on the right-hand side to remove the notification. This will always be dark blue no matter what portal you are in. Once logged into OWS as a partner, you are shown the Partner Dashboard. This is an excellent resource for important partner-specific information, including new products, features, and updates, known issues and maintenance, support and office closures, and training resources. To manage customer accounts, we can navigate to the Accounts menu. There are several options under this menu. We will first look at the Customer Accounts option. From the Customer Accounts screen, we can see a list of existing customers, search for customers, access or manage accounts, as well as create new accounts. Next, we'll navigate to the Global Defaults under the Accounts menu. From this screen, we're able to see and set a collection of default options. When creating a new account, a checkbox labeled Use Global Defaults is available. If checked, the defaults listed in these tabs will be passed to the account. The Reports and Alerts default section lets you set which alerts and reports should be enabled and available for creation within the account. The Account option allows you to decide if the account should have access to the video clips workflow and be able to upload video clips. The Software Update defaults is no longer used. It is best practice to set global defaults to the most common settings used among your accounts. Any changes to global defaults will change all accounts using them. When you create a new account, you can choose at that time to use global defaults. If you wish to start or stop using global defaults on an account, it can be updated from the Account Options setting. Next, we'll discuss alerts. From here, we can see existing alerts, modify them, or create new alerts. Alerts allow you to be notified and take action when certain events occur, such as when a line is crossed, when a door is open during certain hours, and much more. By default, each new account will have the Global Account Health Alert created. This is a default alert rule that will monitor for common issues including abnormal restart, hard drive error, device not reporting, connection loss to camera, and no recorded video. For more information on creation of alerts, please visit the knowledge base. Reports in OWS allow you to monitor system health, inventory, and more. From this screen, you can view and edit existing reports as well as create new ones. For information on the types of partner reports available and how to configure them, please visit the knowledge base. Channel Partner User Management allows you to create and grant permission to channel partners in OWS. Permissions are set at the user group level, and users are assigned to one or more groups. It is best practice to have your user groups align with your organizational structure. Certain permissions are required for user and user group management. To navigate to the user group management, select Management, then User Management, then User Groups. From here, we're able to view, edit, and create new user groups to define individual permissions to a collection of users. We can also search for existing groups. I will open the Training user group. Within the group, you can add users, update permissions granted by this group, enable or disable two-step verification, define which accounts the group can access, as well as update various web, video, and point-of-sale permissions if applicable. You also have the option to update the name and description of the user group, as well as delete and clone them for faster user group creation. Once you've created the user group, you can create the individual users by navigating to the Management, User Management, and Users menu. Here, we can view, edit, and create new individual users to include in one or more user groups. I will locate a sample user. With the user open, we can update demographics, including setting employee ID and job information. We can also update which group the user is connected to, notifications and updating options, as well as alert and report permissions. Please be aware that any user who will be managing channel partner users and user groups, as we have been doing, will need the Manage Channel Partner User and Groups permission enabled in their user group. Now, we will see and adjust channel partner account settings. To access channel partner settings, click the gear icon in the upper right corner. Channel partner account settings are generally only updated on account creation and when large company changes occur. This may be when the company details like mailing address change. You can also update the ability to let OpenEye remotely connect for technical support. The Security tab allows you to define specific password requirements for all users, such as minimum password length and special characters required. The User and User Group tabs simply navigate to the management sections we've previously explored. Let's expand on some finer details. The account ID can be used as an internal identifier. The time zone in the user profile will adjust alerts, reminders, and other functions to operate appropriately to that user's local time. Whoever is the first user on any given account will be defaulted in the administrator user group for that account. They are also emailed an invitation to join the account. By default, when a customer account is created, the channel partner account has full admin access. This can be changed from the remote support options. When creating a new account, the account tier designates which subscription tier the account will use. Subscription management allows for more control over account tiers and management. If Enable Global Default is not selected, all report and alerts options are disabled by default. It's important for these permissions to be reviewed and enabled for the needed account where required. Thank you so much.